the first to know. Nsem-Pii TV.
For him, according from Nsem-Pii TV, so and rather, a bit to just say, Yasan Achi, a Boahen, a Mray Jano, Senka on Fan Hundi, na a bit to Yasa Yasachino, Nina Efa a Ghana Water Company, almost say, and never be uncle a wohonum, and unti, and almost so, a my chino. Na one of a Boahen lawyers, we make us say, or young. Among the lawyers are on why the emotion of my boy a Boahen. Lawyer Butchie asem na making now no, and now would a asem munchi chimuankasa abba. Any on step on what take ahead of a year chair or Masachi a Boahen. Only kuti a sound community between one and a common committee CMS here.
Miss Mobacopa, a year more client, a year cabinet a Boahen. Near him say a nura. Eja mube nya bail de amano amana ko fie na wakogina home na de esa kwoti ye ne se wo mu gya no ana wo sa kire ne bio na wo mu kire na de na wo mu gya no wo sa kire no wo mu sesen court sesen
na endra ye court endra me se me no di nkomo anopa no ena me ka che o se menya information say after court and he'll be rearrested. In fact, time me no wakasa na me take mu court complex so nti me we court na ante bia na fair assem no ya fair assem ni wie ya judge na ka say remand na o man call for e wo yoko for 1 week no they say no we releasing no on the existing bail conditions no so releasing na yoko ni attorney general so say Cabinet Dubai has been rearrested. In fact, the information in our court and upon he was rearrested the midnight and sana omoba court and upon on new allegations, Ghana Water Company allegations, because so far he's not been charged yet. Until you name charges or whatever bono, you name the details of the entire or my rearresting. But what they tell us and say he's been rearrested. But
yeah, and then what has been bandied around? Say a Ghana Water Company for contract being the and no, here say an asset and so be almost so much before say at that court anymore na prescription. They say there, who can't say young charging on the TNC Ghana Water Company. No, be say and also to say.
Sani watching and Sana Yancy acting with media and in fact Attorney General near a press conference some 3 weeks ago. Eka said Cabinet Boahen NSB no and Ghana Water Company echo into some transactions. Now Ninsusi no transactions no PKD akoso and I say financial irregularity akoso and I say stealing be akoso. But what I'm saying is that currently no you need charges Attorney General at the bebo in Yabema Cabinet Boahen, you bit must speak to the charges. Unlike National Signals Bureau and Seminar, you need to say you're charging for stealing, money laundering, conspiracy to steal, and the causing financial loss to the state. You know. In Ghana Water, he's not been charged yet. In fact, and the first time I almost did a caution statement in relation to the matter. And, you know, so far, the remains speculations and assumptions. Until say a bet charging with a charge sheet, in court, lawyers bring opportunity. I said charge sheet, not head a woman there. We cannot say you say anything Tina or my arresting or no. So for now, I can say that we don't even know why he's been arrested. All what we know is that he's been arrested in relation to a transaction at National Signals Bureau and the Ghana Water Company in a transaction, and yet Cabinet Boahen and Ghana Water Company in the court transaction. It was a transaction between National Signals Bureau, na in Yabeman, Director General, and the Ghana Water Company, a limited liability state institution, and a core contract name. We are aware, Senior Attorney General can what for a defense cyber software to protect Ghana Water Company. Insurance meaning akwamoni be ya against say Ghana bibia you do ni bibia we are say kono bibia digitalization na wu here say under the former government and Ghana Water be taking steps to digitalize their operations near there say be ya say water treatment plant we will take my na say ye pese ye bibi wo ho emergency wa Accra enya fe ni ye be for car over 5 hours to 6 hours of driving to Tetima. You can be in Accra and still operate Tetima water system. Now say be a water plant be a will be an. It almost decided to digitalize the system. And once you digitalize the system, you need a proper software, a bubble system no home buying. Because we have to countries there and after my mind they try and share issue any issue of national security concern. Because nipa boni phobia any access to yensu, any access to your kanya na Ghana man penny, ye hesi a tia ye my mo na 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month. Yes, you'll be a hijacking yensu near kanya. At the a bit be insecurity grab or mining because the agitations near the idea of bebo mining. So it's very important say your water systems and your bebo combine. But like I said, they say you be any details and you know main code details no much, but we are still waiting, sir. Attorney General officially ever charge Mr. Kwabno Boahen so that we will know the charges that he has to answer to on one casabe kwedua ye dia bono. But that's now you nim kwedua ye dia bono.
Na I council. Mami musawi se o chimia wo ye post ni wo ye hwan ni na wo chimia se so mami hu me boni amaye se because of this and that intina me chiwo any one two say how much ni more return date be say okay day we be arraigned before court.
Me that say I mean say two questions that will be a very good questions. The first one about say a child will say inform me of the charges. That is the standard procedure. But like I'm saying, the say he's been arrested in relation to a transaction on the Ghana Water Company ako into. And no in itself na any charge. You can't say a charge and I say you can't say what committee offense via the offense must be in contravention with the stated law. Say if they are child in relation to stealing, contrary to section so and so of Criminal Act. You are still in relation to courting financial laws, contrary to section so and so.
Example, what bet me aden I o ko twoba wa kwa kodidi. Me nya mfumso bia ebia me didi wieye no mentua ka ana me didi wieye no me de kwantra bo obi
ana didi wieye kura bola didi wieye udidi wo mu wieye no odi kofie then e bet maka se we wieye no aka se uko didi wo choba endra ntin ya bechewa I don't need a vague into ukra no unhu dia
emra be na chese me ndi choba
as of now no by a general, overview, any a general understanding, say you're in relation to XYZ transaction with Ghana Water Company, but the specifics now, and only the basis for any legal prosecution, as of now, it's not known. On the second question,
second question said that Ben na woman in Baba court, and now most more yet then to some mobile secure bay amano.
And so that the back court and after that will be charging officially in the no nothing has been communicated yet. But what we know is that lawyers have prepare bail application. The first time we took by a chain for the 3 weeks no. And on this month no one charging after that time keeping himself for 3 weeks no. It took the venerable Atachia and the other senior lawyers to file an application for bail for the release of Yeniabema Kwabne Boahen. I am sure that lawyer and senior lawyers in their wisdom will take the necessary processes to possibly file a bail application. Say Yeniabema. No Bekaya first one the same strategy. We are no more a draconian a bail condition of 200 million Ghana cedis. Land immovable properties near the idea. And we are hoping this time around, there will not be abuse of that discretion, any abuse of the prosecutorial powers, Ediama, Edi or Ebiaso, Yoko Force or Mudidi or Mujuman. So we are hoping some very respected processes and the idea. Then at the end of the day, no one who say, important brand woman say, if you boy, so be we are the poor. The person is presumed innocent until proven guilty. I'm hoping
by a competent court of jurisdiction.
Exactly. No, even the presumption of innocence in the Quran and we're general.
Okay.
And only a general, but you can only be pronounced guilty by a court of competent jurisdiction. But presumption of innocence, in fact, okay, in some a court about Kobna Dubois in Seminia, Kobna can decide to go to court on Kasa. Where I actually obey to my decide, they say, Sena Machim and a men Kasa. It is the duty of the prosecution to prove the case of Kobna beyond, or the guilt of Kobna beyond reasonable doubt. And some no cry, no court, and the Becca Kobna case of prosecution, you have the cause to answer. The prosecution here, we are not in the mind of the defense, you know. The Kobna any question be able to answer, and then as defense debate must file for a submission of no case. Not just a seminar prosecution nearby and a baby any into no Kobna cry and once a man a casa. Into the prosecution need in fact the ensure the employer and dry a court, you know. Then to almost some remand the Kobna for 2 weeks now. Or the people more witness statement, your court, you know. Attorney General sent a witness statement on compiling way. And a judge in the man who warning said this is the liberties of a person at stake, a citizen at stake. Into no more final grace period until 20th May. Say, file more processes in here because one of my press conferences say more watertight case. After more about court. Mumi and Charles, not here, more the net, it's not young compiling a witness statement, and you see, it's a court number up to 20th May. Say, the Muslim work for Kobna who be no, Diana, Metisa, who come once, and most of what dying, I hear, most of a cronkunia and Mufambra. You see, no one to me from buying to your home when him some of the beba. You see, no most of my channel for another year. Medium, who it is in the corner, a pesta vendetta, now which hand, you know, more person, more the which hand in your Kobnano. But we are looking at them and we are hoping they will respect the rights, no one, they will respect democracy again, and they will respect rule of law. Lawyers know it to keep processes to ensure say you be file bail application. Ama Kwan Papa near the Niama Fashion.
Na Mami Musa, which is said or also a year Boahen na Momon Sasso, issue Attorney General for defamation. Messi enam ayi Kwabena Boahen wo ma musi Attorney General for defamation. And also akosi say
I know see you go so far no the learned Attorney General embe in fact on filing appearance in Poye, but don't know because there's several trial now. And you know processes need different from a criminal trial. In several matter no say obi sure about 8 days to enter appearance. After all enter appearance, I will say file with defense. But to say in the civil matter, no, age, you know, enter appearance, and he hasn't also filed his defense yet. But their processes are also go through. Lawyers in their wisdom would know the next line of action to take. In general, they are not with different courts from the criminal, criminal trial. In general, the processes are the best feminine.
Mami na wase na mi senya mpaso mfamamu. Yes, that's it. Lawyer Kwesibo Junior. Na yene no atwetwe enkomo no okay 101.7 swini. Na mami fa we Ecobank se. Mo minim sa wo numbers emergency numbers bebre medical emergency number wo police emergency number. Na wo mo so the number bi aba Ecobank fo. Money emergency number. Tieni ye money emergency number. Na number ni *770 hash. Me pa chaw bia onwa kire wanope ya kokon asem nkire obi ase opelu frɛ Ecobank for uhia loan, uhia fund transfer, utility payment, airtime, data purchases. The number is *770 hash. *770 hash. Na no ano na we weto even uni data kura ofra ebeko. Enti emawo how kura se wuni sika na ohopo there be Ecobank beba amwa. Eti dial *770 hash for solutions to your money problems. Uhia bosia uhia bibia bombodin the fresh *770 hash. Ecobank, the Pan-African Bank. Nana yenko
Na oba daily post the workout n'animu a what the lawyer Godwin Eduji Tamaklu what the picture to ase ha ana asem no ehye krata fa to so ensia center spread wo na wose we ni de atoso mienu a wo maye NPA downstream compliance workshop awon kan ase yi a wo kire mu se lawyer Godwin Adoji Tamaklu a won na ye acting chief executive officer dema National Petroleum Authority NPA kasa wase no de futo no kokobo ema marketing companies a wo mu di dwa wo oil mu no anu so sere wo mu so wo anim se wo mu onsese ne ntotie a wo se wo mu de ye wo madwuma na adwuma ne yesa de se na efata wo besere wo mu ni so na wo ya oil marketing company bia wo mu siseye wani so no anya obenya so twen onka na ada akra obenya so twen pa obenya so twen na daily post de wakata na mu Honorable Ayine Idrusu na ye education minister o se aban ayehye se Kintampo obeti University of Agriculture and Sciences na boapa ma informunyuma abafo kwan ya ye no informunyuma se de ebeya ma Ghana yankoba se eduane be shoto wa na mu mabribia ne ebenya eduane die na eduane ne soso enkoba se ne bo be ye den ye beto ama amanfo edinamu abo da bi wose agriculture be boa pa ma yemfom adwuma no otumi atumpon chance ye be ma book munim de abafo kwanya ye faso ye kua siani na University of Agriculture and Life Sciences enti nyampa ye wie ni mu second tampo e wona abamba kwakọ biesa university ya o kan wansem no na medawa wo daily post demokrata ni mu a na ne krata fa etoso nyensa mampeni John Dramani mama na ebo amane yi wasini ma ye etoso mienu yi waba ya woni su bosumi num kura no sika 834 million Ghana cedis anu otuade ama wom ya yarasa bia se ya kesi o se ya chochopo a se ya keteboge a wom hwe wom asabi wom yare a wom ba yarasa bia wom kutuna national health insurance no so sa yarasa bia no sika wasa ba de ma wom se de be ya so bi ba ho na so kuta national health a wom ye no kama 834 million Ghana cedis ana so far ban ba ye wetia krata yi ebo ho amane na daily guide bakrata mu ana meweyi daily guide bakrata no oba ne krata fa etoson woche kada fa etoson woche ma me nkọ krata fa etoson kru no mu ana oba amane se Amenfi Central na se bedwani Juana Jankujo ana wone district chief executive Peter Mponsa won potemu waka bomu a wom wo chefa asase mu agudie tuo titru ne wom tu gold ne diamond Ghana asase 18 mu wono